Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Kraken institutional tools overview. So let's dive into it. If you're trading or managing large portfolios on Kraken, they offer several institutional grade tools built for speed, reliability and scale. The backbone is their advanced API access, which let firm connect algorithm, strategy, automated board and internal system directly to Kraken matching engine, perfect for programmatic trading and low latency execution. For execution and risk management, customizable order types like post only, stop loss, take profit and aiding order gives professional the precision they need, while the deep liquidity or major pairs like BTC, ETH, which is the Ethereum, help reduce spillage on large fields. Kraken OTC desk is another standout. It provides tailored large block trade with competitive pricing and settlement support, keeping price impact low for big moves. Kraken also offers institutional custody with advanced security, multi-sig and cold storage, which is a proof of reserve reporting and compliance tools for KYC, check and all key regulated fund or corporate treasures. Data feed and other web stock API offer a real-time market data order routing for firm building complex strategy, and that's one of the most greatest institutional tools built for Kraken. Hope you find the video helpful. Subscribe for more information and let me know in the comment section which Kraken tools you want to dive into on your next move. And that's it.